Hello and welcome to a new knitting tutorial from Kolibri by Johanna. I'm Johanna, you probably know that, and I'm going to show you today how to work German short rows. German short rows are an important technique when it's come to shaping shoulders or shaping armholes. Today we are going to shape the shoulders of this little sweater, the Odette Sweater Junior, to ensure a good fit around the shoulders. I hope you will have fun watching it, and I keep my fingers crossed that your try working the German short rows is going to work out. I hope you had fun watching the tutorial, and I hope you have learned something, or maybe you have improved your skills, and yes, I'm looking very much forward to see all your sweaters with German short rows.